Audio Jungle. What are the biggest challenges that owners face when using new technology, and how can they overcome them?
I think the biggest challenge we've ran into is at what point we implemented it and then how big our team was. So I wish I had started earlier with a lot of things. Like Nick was talking about scheduling and timekeeping. Um, there's a lot more options these days that are a lot more affordable that you can grow into. So it's not like you have to make a big investment on a lot of the things now because so many of the companies have tiers as you grow. So really just starting with those things very early on when you're just hiring makes it a lot easier as you're growing for the team to help train them each other and whatnot. I mean, we have a phone system now um, that I can share the same line with either a manager or anybody else so that they can see rather we've had a phone call or we've been texting with a person. And as we didn't implement that until just a few years ago, and it was a game changer for us. And it was so cheap. I wish I had done it from the very beginning. Because sharing customer service as you're growing is a big thing, I think.
What about you, Alex? Either what you face personally, or what would you think would be the biggest challenge owners face with new technology?
I think some of the biggest challenges are technology is moving so quick. I mean, just in a short period of time, things have changed drastically in the industry, right? And even being brand new, I kind of noticed all of it. So, and even knowing what technology to use, what to go after, multiple companies are producing the same thing, different costs, different features. So, what really, what do you go after? What do you use? I think a great way to overcome that is just talking to other people in the industry. What are they using? What are the people out there that have multiple stores using to make their life easier? And one of the other things that we ran into is a lot of our staff is older. Some of our best staff is over 50, and teaching them how to use some of this tech is a challenge. So just kind of being patient, teaching the staff how to use it so they can, better help our customers has been definitely helping us quite a bit.
Yeah, the whole idea of technology is to make life easier, but sometimes it actually makes things more difficult. And I'm over 50. I can use technology.
I didn't say everybody, but we do
Yeah.
have some that, they struggle. And you kind of, once they get it though, it's super simple. It's just getting them
Yeah.
to the point where they're comfortable with it.
Yeah. Yeah. Comfort level.